welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's Veganuary day 29 and we are screwed.
Yay!
So, well, you wouldn't know this because it's going to be on tomorrow's vlog. Our computer is a pile of poop right now.
Yeah.
We have two iMacs, one newer, one not so new. The old one's working great. The new one, new-ish one, it won't let us log on, so all of our stuff is on there, and it just threw off the whole day. And we were doing so good, putting up a video every day from Veganuary, and we didn't want to disappoint you guys, so we're just going to give you this pile of poop. I'm in the middle of cooking dinner right now. We're just having a little pasta tonight with some vegan meatballs. But I wanted to try out this new Oat Milk by Silk.
Oh, Silk is in the oat game?
Yeah, there's like 5 or 6 brands now, all of a sudden. Like, within the last couple of months.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So this one's called Oat Yeah. And I haven't opened it yet. I'm interested to try it out.
Did you shake it up?
I think I did, yes.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a good shake weight.
Oh, okay.
Not that I do that. I'm not allowed to exercise right now. No, I'm not really. But that's a good excuse, right?
Sure.
Let's see. Alright, I'm not just going to do that. I'm going to make a latte with it. So, I've got my Keurig all fired up. And yes, I'm wearing a blanket dress because it's freaking cold.
Look at that. It says hello.
The polar vortex is coming. I'm a beast today. So, I know it's not good for the environment, but I don't feel like doing my AeroPress right now. Oh, we've got Donut Cafe.
Oh.
So this cup, this size cup, I don't like my coffee like freaking strong, although that's a medium roast, but I say strong and I do 2 6-ounce run-throughs. But the thing that makes magic is this beautiful Aeroccino by Nespresso. I don't have a Nespresso, but I told Kristen, my other daughter, that I wanted this for Christmas because I want lattes. And I don't want an Nespresso machine because I've already got a perfectly good Keurig. So why would I just throw that out for an espresso?
Right.
It has an Aeroccino, so I just got the Aeroccino. So if you don't know, it's got a little wheel in there, and this heats it up and frosts it. It basically does the same as this, except this is battery, and it doesn't heat it up. So you would have to either do that on the stove or use the microwave. I know, first world problems, right? I have a dedicated milk frother. I'm garbage. What can I say?
Alright, let's make this.
So we're just going to pour it. I usually just pour it until you can't see the wheel anymore. I don't even put the cover on it half the time. I just put it... I guess I should wait for that to finish so that it don't blow the circuit. Let me just get this going one more time. It says it's preheating, so... Oh, that's ready too. Alright, so we're going to put this for another 6-ounce cup. You shut up!
That is a very loud beep.
It is very loud. I apologize for that. I'm just going to put this on its base.
You base it.
Yeah. And you press the button. And it does the rest. And it turns off when it's done. You don't even have to, like, do anything. But anyway, today's video, while we're waiting for that, was going to be... Today's video was going to be Maddie's birthday cake because she's going to be 28.
Are you asking or telling?
Asking?
Yes.
Okay, she's going to be 28 tomorrow, and she has requested a banana cake. So I have the recipe and everything, but it's just we just
couldn't do it today.
No, and I don't have the icing for it because I suck at icing. It would be amazing if I could make a beautiful coconut cream icing and make it beautiful and everything. But part of being successful is knowing your limitations.
Don't sweat it.
And I all too well know my limitations. So I need to nip out to the store tomorrow to buy some vanilla frosting. It's not happening for today.
It's okay.
But we're having a nice oat latte. Oat
Yeah.
milk latte. That's done. Let's take a look. Oh,
Frothy.
yeah. I can tell right away this one is not as good as the Oatly.
For frothing?
Yeah. I mean, it frothed, but the Oatly, woo, you get a big cloud of foam, and it's beautiful and amazing and lovely. So then, I'm very, very not good at latte art. So, blah, blah, blah. Looks like a plop.
You didn't really do anything.
No, because this didn't froth as good. I wish I could show you with the Oatly, but I don't have any left. This was the only brand of oat milk that they had at the store that I went to the other day. So,
Well, let's see how it tastes. I guess it's too hot.
no, it's not too hot.
Okay.
I love burning my mouth.
I know you do.
I make you guys do it all the time.
I'm not a fan.
I'm sorry. See, if I had the Oatly, it would have been overflowing. In fact, when I used the Oatly, or the other one, what's the other one? I would recommend this one as well, if you can get this one. The Planet Oat milk is very good in the extra creamy. I haven't tried, this is extra creamy original. I haven't tried like the regular, but the extra creamy.
Puppy's
Delicious.
watching the show.
Oh,
He's so beautiful!
He's such a good boy. Okay, so let's see how this tastes. But if I had used that other one, overflow.
Okay.
Taste is good. It's just not a lot of foam.
Okay.
And part of what makes it fun and delicious and nice and good is overflowing of foam. So Silk, you weren't a total poop, but you weren't as good as Oatly and Planet Oat. And you know, my mom just, I gotta ask my mom, she just tried the Quaker oat milk. I haven't tried that yet because it's not, oh, it is in ShopRite. Maybe I'll try that one the next time, but I hate buying a whole container and being disappointed if it's not good. Maybe I'll bring my Aeroccino over to her house on the weekend and try and see what she thinks. But sorry guys, but that was our pile of poop for Veganuary day 29. I know 30 will be better.
It'll be fun.
It'll be better or I'll die trying.
Stop!
Right? Subscribe if you like poop. What can I say? I don't know what to tell you. But we tried. And we're still going to make it. We're still going to put out a video every day for Veganuary. And if you like us, just subscribe for later too. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, much love.